Hi, does the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G have NFC? So basically, this depends on the version of your phone. For example, the Indian one does not include NFC feature. But to check whether you have it or not, you need to go in your settings, then find more connectivity options and scroll down. So here you should see this whole tab dedicated to NFC, and you can enable it by tapping on the switcher. If you cannot find it here, then you can just use your search settings and manually input NFC. Now you should see those suggested options. Also, you can find it if you scroll down from the upper right corner. And now just find this icon with letter N, which is for NFC. Here you can enable it or disable as well, and if you cannot see it here, then go in edit mode and find it in system toggles. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.